Welcome to today's morning meditation. Today we'll root ourselves like the old oaks of the past, strong, steady, and grounded in the earth. Just like the ancient oak, you too can feel deeply connected, unshaken by the winds of life. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, let your roots sink deeper into the ground. Let's begin. Find a comfortable seated position, your spine tall yet relaxed. Close your eyes gently and place your hands on your knees or in your lap. Feel the weight of your body pressing into the ground beneath you. Imagine, just like an old oak tree, your body is steady, your roots are reaching deep into the earth. Let your body feel supported. Now take a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs with fresh air, and exhale slowly through your mouth. Let's do that again. Inhale deeply and exhale, releasing any tension, sinking deeper into your roots. Feel your connection to the earth growing stronger. As you continue to breathe, bring your attention to your breath. Imagine that with each inhale, your body becomes taller, your spine growing toward the sky, like the oak's towering trunk. With each exhale, your roots spread wider, anchoring you to the earth below. Take this moment to set an intention for your day. Like the oak that stands tall through storms, what quality do you want to embody today? Strength, calm, resilience? Whatever it is, let that intention flow through you like the sap in the oak's branches. Say to yourself, "Today, I am rooted in your intention." Feel this intention grounding you. Now let's move through the body, like an oak tree spreading its branches wide and strong. Begin at your feet, feeling them planted firmly on the ground. Imagine your roots spreading through the soil, steady and secure. Bring your awareness to your legs moving upward. Feel the strength in your thighs, your knees, your hips, like the base of the tree trunk, stable and unshaken. Now, bring your attention to your torso. Feel your breath expand your chest as though it were the wide branches of the oak, reaching upward and outward, catching the sunlight. Let your shoulders relax, your arms resting like branches swaying gently in the breeze. Bring your awareness to your neck, your jaw, your face. Soften your expression, like the leaves gently fluttering on the tree's branches. Release any tension you find here. Now, for the next few moments, simply breathe. Feel your body rooted and grounded. Feel your breath as the wind gently sways the oak's branches, but the tree remains still, calm, and steady. Whenever your mind wanders, gently bring it back to your breath. Just like the oak, stand tall in your awareness. Let any passing thoughts be like clouds drifting across the sky. Take a deep breath in and exhale, feeling grounded, stable, and connected. Inhale and exhale, releasing any remaining tension. Now, slowly begin to bring your awareness back to the room. Wiggle your fingers and toes, and when you're ready, gently open your eyes. Just like the ancient oak, you are deeply rooted, strong, and ready to face whatever the day brings. Carry this sense of grounded strength with you throughout your day, and remember, no matter how strong the winds, you are rooted like the oak, steady and unshaken. Thank you for joining this morning's meditation. Have a peaceful and grounded day.